In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a standing bicep curl. So firstly, once you've got the weights in both hands, you're going to bring your feet to hip width apart. I want you to have the elbows locked into the body, so as close as you can be with those elbows locked into the sides. And then from that position, you've got a palm up position where you're going to bring the weights up slowly as far as you can go into a maximal contraction. Make sure that you've got your elbows still locked into your sides. You don't want to be doing your bicep curl and the elbows are coming up as well as the weights. So you've always got those elbows down, locked in. You control both the concentric, which is that first phase when you bring the weights up, as well as the eccentric, which is the lowering phase of the exercise. Now, of course, you could do these individually as well. So you can decide to do one repetition on one side and alternate to the other side. If you want to do both at the same time, of course, you can as well. That's how to do a standing dumbbell bicep curl.